Hello.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hi. You can start.
Yes, thank you. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Varad Deshpande, and I am here to represent Pratham Technologies Private Limited. In this current crisis, I hope everybody is doing well and safe, and everybody's companies are also doing fine. So, with this, let me start with my presentation. I hope everybody can see the screen. Okay, so here's a little bit about myself. As I said, my name is Varad Deshpande, and I recently completed my MBA from HEC Paris. And currently, I am the Director of Strategy and Growth at Pratham Tech. Over the last, I've been working with Pratham for more than 5 years now. And in between, I took a sabbatical to go study as well. Along with that, I also own a restaurant chain called Yorkshire, which is an egg specialty brand in Pune. And I've also worked with Fleetguard and as a constraint management specialist. And I also did a small internship of marketing strategy in France. And as a kid, I used to play tennis at a national level. Here's a little bit about Pratham, and I think I need to. Okay. So Pratham Technologies was established in 1988 in Pune, in a very small 10 by 10 room by two technopreneurs. And over the last 30 years, we've constantly grown year by year. What we do is we are leaders in paper folding technology for pharmaceutical leaflets. Um, this is a product that we introduced in 1994, and we were the first to do this in India. Back then, there were not many options for Indians. We had to like mostly import most of the technology from Germany or from the US, which is when Pratham Technologies entered this market. Uh, Most of our solutions are also very cost effective, and as well as we are also very innovative and technology driven in our approach. Currently, we have about 70 people working for us, and we are recently going to move to a bigger factory. And by next year, we'll have over 100 people working with us as well. We are an ISO 9001 2015 certified company, and since 2001. And now currently we can call ourselves a global company, because we have exports in more than 20 countries, and we also have offices in US and Europe. So we also have locally available support for all our products and services. Um, we have consistently grown by over 30% in the last 10 years. We've introduced lots and lots of new products, including the outsert systems, which is we are the first Indian company to manufacture this system. And other than us, there are only a few German companies which do this. So it's very specialized and it's very complicated. So our motto is to add value to print, finish, and packaging. We provide the best solutions in inserts and outsert folding, pharma packaging, vision inspection, variable data printing, and mailing. So these are sort of our broad segments in which we function, and of which inserts and outserts folding are our dominant sectors. Over the last 29 years, we have been number one manufacturer of paper folding machines in India, with more than 4,000 installations in India and abroad as well. So we have more than 80% market share in India currently. So we have very strong support all over India with local dealer network, and now we are also sort of expanding that dealer network outside India as well. So we started with Europe and US, and we are very actively looking for partners all over the world as well. Um, Here's a sort of a snapshot of our where we were, like which are the countries in which we've successfully installed our systems. As you can see, there's US, of course, there's Canada, lots and lots of countries in Europe and Africa as well. UAE, of course, and Asia, and we've always been very dominant in Asia, in the Asian market too. Our mission is to build a world-class company where we create value through innovation and technology, making India feel proud. Um, so, although we are, although we started with a small setup, we our vision has always been bigger, um, and we've always looked at ourselves as a global company, having a worldwide presence and not just a local Indian manufacturer. So all the decisions we make in our day-to-day life, we keep this in mind that we are a global company, and we set those high standards upon ourselves. Um, what are our values? We people care. We put people above everything else, be it our dealers, be it our customers, employees, partners, everybody. Um, that's the first and the most important thing for us. Before profits, before anything else, we care about people a lot. Excellent customer relations. These are the people who've our customers who've supported us when we were no one. These are the people who have trusted us with their money, with their time, and everything. And they are the ones uh, who has helped who have helped us to grow over the last 30 years. So we really, really value that a lot. Global perspective. We um, we are a small. I don't know. We are not a very large company, but perspective wise, we do believe that we are a global company and we function that way. Um, Now that we've have had offices all over the world, we can very proudly call ourselves a global company now. And but this is just the start of where we want to reach. We are just at the start of reaching globally. We just have two offices so far, but we want to reach all over the world, and showcase our products and our solutions and help our customers and everybody all over the world. We have a never give up, can do attitude. That's how we like to function in our daily life. We don't want to find easy things or easy solutions to problems. We fight hard until we achieve what we believe in. And lastly, we want to leverage India, prove India, and contribute to India. And as a proud and passionate Indian company, we want to put ourselves on the global footprint. Now coming to the broad products that we have. First is the inserts folding machine, which is we have a range of this, and we supply to printing presses and pharma companies. Um, the second range of folding system that we have is outserts. And as I said, we are the first Indian company to manufacture outsert systems with lots and lots of variations. And again, here the printing press is our main customer. We've over the last we've introduced this product in the late 2016 or 17. And over the last 4 or 5 years, we've had about 20 installations all over the world. And lastly, we are also into pharmaceutical packaging machinery. Um, we call it the Cartonova, and this is the machine that goes on top of a cartoning machine. So we supply those sort of products as well. So to dive deeper into our specific insert systems, we have this is our very introductory product, and which comes in 4 and 6 fold options. Um, and we have a optional cross folding attachment as well, with stacking systems and all the modern uh, accessories that need to be. We also provide optional CE marking with these machines as well. Here's a slightly there's a higher model of the friction feeder, but it's a different technology. It's a stream or a vacuum feeder, which is used for commercial applications as well. Um, so this one is used for mostly for the art paper, and this one we also have 6 and 8 fold options with, again, all the similar cross folding variations. Um, this is something which we introduced in 2012. So it's been about 8 to 10 years now since we've introduced this product. And right now it's one of the most selling products all over the world for our segment. Um, and we have a wide variety of options that come for this product, from starting from 6 fold up to 18 folds. And it also comes in two sizes. One is a 35-inch width size, and the other is a 53-inch width size. And for both, we have multiple variations in terms of the folds. Again, the cross-folding attachment is always there. We have the option of putting up noise suppression hoods, CE marking, and all of those will obviously be a part of it. So some of these are the main features that come with the insert system. One is a vertical stacker, so it's easier for you to collect the folded samples. The other is a kicker for the vertical stacker. There's a PLC, so you can keep an account of what the machine has been doing. A standalone vertical stacker. There's combination rollers. There's folding pockets with position indicators, so you can speed up the time which you need to set up the machine. We also have noise suppression hoods for noise control, double sheet detector, so there's no wastage. There's a transfer unit with the ejector as well, and there's a vision inspection system and CE marking, as I mentioned. Here's the outside systems that I would like to introduce to you, all of you. This comes in variations from 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 24. All of those variations are available for this outside system. And as you can see, we have a round pile feeder. So you can feed once and then it will go on for a long time. Here we supply one knife, two knives, three knives solutions with gluing and taping as well. And we also have lots and lots of accessories that will make your life easier. This is something that we've been doing for the last 3 years with more than 20 installations all over the world and growing all over India as well. This is a pharma packaging machine, as I mentioned, the Cartonova, which we supply um, to to lots of pharma companies that have the cartoning machine as well. This one also comes with a 4 and 6 fold variation. Along with our folding machine, we have proofreading systems in partnership with Image Provision. So we have PDF to PDF, PDF to scan with the A3 scanner using an Epson scanner. Then we have a PDF to scan using an A0 GraphTex scanner. And we also provide additional modules of foil checking and braille. There's a brief comparison between Pratham and our competitors. As you know, Gook and H&H have been very world-class companies, and we respect them and we admire them a lot. We've over the last few years, we've also developed products that are competitive for the global market as well. And as you can see here, we also do 24 folds, 8 folds, and all of the accessories and everything. And yes, lastly, we are growing very fast. As I said, we've established our global presence all over the world, and we are very happy um, to get in touch, and for collaboration and associations. Please email me at strategy@prathamtech.com. I would love to hear from you if you have any new ideas, or if you'd love um, to talk about growing in different parts of the world, or if you want to work for us, or anything, I'm there for you. So again, thanks a lot, Arab Pharma, for giving me this opportunity, and thank you very much. I can take. I think we have 3 more minutes, so I can take some questions as well if there are some.
Hi, Varad.
Hi.
Uh, Thank you for the session. There is no question.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So I have
Yeah.
my email ID as I have given. So anyone wants, they can always get in touch.
All right. All right.